This is the Renewgoo GooGamer Keyboard. At best, that's the name I can come up with. This goes by several names, but that's what I bought it under the presumption. I bought this because I needed a white keyboard to match my wife and daughter's computer. It's all white, so it's thematic. And yeah, I picked this up for the right price of $20. But there's a few problems with it. So I want to begin with the fact that it actually doesn't Rgb light up whatsoever when the computer itself is actually on. So as you can see, it's off. Now I'm going to show you that as soon as it turns on, what's going to happen. These keys just turn off. And this could be fixed with a keyboard program, right? But like, come on, this is the most basic of things right here, right? Like, why do you have this backwards? So there you go. That's the name of the keyboard. Definitely assembled in China, made in China. And this is what it promises right here on this little ad. High quality, built tough. Let's go ahead and just do a simple bend test, right? I'm going to just do a really simple bend test, and it fails miserably. This is awful. This is some of the cheapest plastic construction I've ever seen. Look at this. And that's obviously because it doesn't have a steel backplate in it. It doesn't have any type of metal backplate. It's all plastic. And also I found a hole. What is this? Communist China camera put in there to watch what I'm doing? So this also promises to be a mechanical keyboard because I want to give my family a mechanical keyboard, or at least a pseudo mechanical keyboard. And here you go. This is what it sounds like. And here's a real Cherry MX Red mechanical keyboard. Just from how quiet it is, you can tell it's not a mechanical keyboard. The keys are made to sound like a mechanical keyboard. It's not. The keyboard keys work. It's a keyboard. It works. But it's definitely overpriced, and it's full of lies. This isn't a tough, high-quality product. This isn't a mechanical keyboard. I mean, obviously, you're not going to get a mechanical keyboard for $20. The Rgbs don't light up when your computer's on. In fact, they light up when it's off, which is offensive to your room. Yeah, all in all, probably one of the worst keyboards I've ever purchased in my life.